How to crop a video in CapCut on Mac. So simply open your CapCut app and find the clip which you want to crop or video which you want to crop and simply click it. I want to crop this one, and all you have to do is to right click on edit or place your mouse on edit, and here is the option crop. So now simply crop the video or the clip. You can adjust this left side and adjust the right side, also up and down, and then finish the process. Here you can also set the crop if you want the free one or some ratio. Also you can rotate here the crop. Then click on confirm, and as you can see the video is successfully cropped. You can make it smaller or make it bigger. If you want to bring back the original clip, you can go back here or just right click and go to the crop and move it to the original clip size, or you can just click reset. So that's how you can do it. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.